Email marketing automation has become a game changer for businesses and individuals looking to save time and boost engagement. But with so many tools out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one, especially if you're just starting out. In this video, we'll break down the simplest email marketing software options that let you build automated email sequences with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just curious about email automation, you'll find practical solutions that don't require a steep learning curve. Let's dive in and explore your best options for simple, effective email automation. When it comes to email marketing, simplicity is key. Complicated platforms can slow you down, create confusion, and even lead to mistakes in your campaigns. For many users, the ideal software is one that offers a clean interface, straightforward setup, and intuitive automation features. This means you can focus on crafting your message and connecting with your audience rather than getting lost in technical details. In the next scenes, we'll look at what makes an email marketing tool truly simple and how this simplicity can help you achieve better results faster. Automated email sequences are a series of emails that are sent automatically to subscribers based on specific triggers or schedules. For example, when someone signs up for your newsletter, they might receive a welcome email, followed by a series of helpful tips over the next few days. This process saves you time and ensures consistent communication with your audience. The best part? Once set up, these sequences run on autopilot, freeing you up to focus on other important tasks. Let's see how simple software can make this process even easier. When searching for the simplest email marketing software, there are a few key features to keep in mind. First, look for drag-and-drop editors that make designing emails a breeze. Next, check for pre-built automation templates, which allow you to set up sequences without starting from scratch. Integration with your website or e-commerce platform is also important for seamless subscriber management. Finally, make sure the software offers clear analytics so you can track your results easily. These features help ensure that your email marketing stays simple and effective. One of the most popular and user-friendly email marketing tools is MailerLite. Known for its clean interface and straightforward automation builder, MailerLite is perfect for beginners and small businesses. You can easily create automated sequences using their visual workflow editor, and the platform offers plenty of templates to get you started. Plus, MailerLite's free plan includes automation features, making it accessible even if you're on a tight budget. Let's take a closer look at what makes MailerLite stand out. MailerLite's automation builder is designed for simplicity. With its drag-and-drop workflow, you can set up sequences in minutes. You simply choose a trigger, such as a new subscriber, and then add actions like sending emails or waiting a certain number of days. The visual layout makes it easy to see the entire sequence at a glance, so you can make adjustments quickly. This approach is ideal for users who want to automate without getting bogged down in complex settings. Another reason MailerLite is so simple is its library of pre-built automation templates. These templates cover common scenarios like welcome series, product launches, and re-engagement campaigns. You can select a template, customize the content, and launch your sequence in just a few steps. This saves time and ensures you're following best practices, even if you're new to email marketing. Templates are a great way to get started quickly and see results fast. MailerLite offers a generous free plan that includes most of its core features, including automation. This makes it an excellent choice for those just starting out or working with a limited budget. As your list grows, you can upgrade to a paid plan for more advanced features, but the free version is more than enough for basic automated sequences. The transparent pricing and lack of hidden fees make MailerLite a favorite among users who value simplicity and affordability. Signing up for MailerLite is straightforward. You simply create an account, verify your email, and you're ready to start building your first campaign. The onboarding process guides you through setting up your first list and creating your initial automation. Even if you've never used email marketing software before, you'll find the process intuitive and well documented. MailerLite's support resources are also helpful if you need extra guidance along the way. ConvertKit is another top choice for simple email automation. Designed with creators and small businesses in mind, ConvertKit offers a clean interface and powerful automation features without unnecessary complexity. Its visual automation builder lets you map out sequences and set up triggers with just a few clicks. ConvertKit is especially popular among bloggers, podcasters, and online educators who want to nurture their audience with minimal hassle. ConvertKit's visual automation builder is one of its standout features. You can easily create sequences by dragging and dropping steps onto a canvas. Triggers like new signups or link clicks can start a sequence, and you can add actions such as sending emails or tagging subscribers. The visual layout helps you see the entire flow, making it easy to understand and modify. This simplicity is a big reason why so many users love ConvertKit. ConvertKit makes it simple to organize your subscribers with tags and segments. This means you can send targeted emails based on user behavior or interests, all without complicated rules. For example, you can tag subscribers who click a specific link and send them a follow-up sequence automatically. This level of personalization is powerful yet easy to set up in ConvertKit, making your email marketing more effective and relevant. ConvertKit offers a free plan that includes basic automation features, making it accessible for beginners and those with small lists. You can create simple sequences, use tags, and send broadcasts without paying a cent. As your needs grow, you can upgrade to unlock advanced features like automated funnels and integrations. The free plan is a great way to test out ConvertKit's simplicity before committing to a paid subscription. Getting started with ConvertKit is quick and painless. After signing up, you're guided through the process of importing your contacts, creating your first form, and building your initial automation. The platform's documentation and tutorials are clear and beginner-friendly, so you won't feel lost. ConvertKit's support team is also known for being responsive and helpful, making it a solid choice for those who value simplicity and support. Moosend is another email marketing platform that stands out for its simplicity and powerful automation features. With an intuitive drag-and-drop editor and a wide range of automation templates, Moosend makes it easy to set up sequences even if you have no prior experience. The platform is designed to help you automate repetitive tasks and focus on growing your business, all without a steep learning curve. Moosend offers a variety of automation templates for common scenarios like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and birthday greetings. You can select a template, customize it to fit your brand, and launch your sequence in minutes. The templates are designed to follow best practices, so you can be confident your emails will perform well. This makes Moosend a great choice for users who want to get started quickly and see results right away. Moosend's drag-and-drop editor makes designing emails and automation workflows a breeze. You can add elements like images, buttons, and text blocks with just a few clicks. The visual interface helps you see exactly how your emails and sequences will look, so you can make adjustments on the fly. This user-friendly approach is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking campaigns without any coding knowledge. Moosend offers a free trial that lets you explore all of its features, including automation. This is a great way to test the platform and see if it fits your needs before committing to a paid plan. During the trial, you can build sequences, send campaigns, and access analytics to measure your results. Moosend's pricing is also competitive, making it a strong option for users who want simplicity and value. Signing up for Moosend is quick and easy. After creating your account, you're guided through the process of setting up your first list and building your initial automation. The platform's tutorials and help center are packed with useful information, so you'll never feel stuck. Moosend's support team is also available to answer any questions, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced marketers alike. MailChimp is one of the most well-known email marketing platforms, and it's popular for its user-friendly interface and robust automation features. While MailChimp offers advanced tools for experienced marketers, it also provides simple automation options that are perfect for beginners. The platform's step-by-step guides and templates make it easy to set up automated sequences, even if you're new to email marketing. MailChimp's automation features include pre-built journeys for common scenarios like welcome emails, product recommendations, and follow-ups. You can customize these journeys with your own content and triggers, making it easy to create personalized sequences. The Visual Journey Builder lets you see the entire flow, so you can make changes with confidence. MailChimp's automation tools are designed to be accessible, even if you have no technical background. MailChimp offers a free plan that includes basic automation features, making it a good choice for those just starting out. You can create simple sequences, send up to a certain number of emails per month, and access basic analytics. As your needs grow, you can upgrade to unlock more advanced features. The free plan is a great way to get familiar with MailChimp's interface and automation tools before investing in a paid subscription. Getting started with MailChimp is simple. After signing up, you're guided through the process of creating your first list, designing your first email, and setting up your initial automation. The platform's tutorials and help center are comprehensive, so you'll always have support if you need it. MailChimp's community forums are also a great resource for tips and advice from other users. Benchmark Email is another platform that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Its drag-and-drop editor and automation builder make it easy to create professional-looking emails and automated sequences. Benchmark Email is ideal for small businesses and individuals who want to get started quickly without sacrificing functionality. The platform also offers a free plan, making it accessible to everyone. Benchmark Email's automation builder is designed for simplicity. You can create sequences by selecting triggers and actions from a visual menu. The platform offers templates for common scenarios, so you don't have to start from scratch. The visual interface makes it easy to see how your sequence will flow, and you can make changes with just a few clicks. This makes Benchmark Email a great choice for users who want to automate without complexity. Benchmark Email's free plan includes basic automation features, making it a good option for those just starting out. You can create simple sequences, send a limited number of emails per month, and access basic analytics. The free plan is a great way to test the platform and see if it fits your needs before upgrading to a paid plan. Signing up for Benchmark Email is quick and easy. The onboarding process guides you through creating your first list, designing your first email, and setting up your initial automation. The platform's help center and support team are available if you need assistance. Benchmark Email's focus on simplicity makes it a great choice for beginners and those who want to get started fast. Sendinblue is a versatile email marketing platform that offers simple automation features alongside advanced tools for growing businesses. Its automation builder is designed to be user-friendly, with a visual interface that lets you create sequences by dragging and dropping steps. Sendinblue also offers a free plan, making it accessible to users of all levels. Sendinblue's automation builder allows you to create sequences based on triggers like signups, email opens, or link clicks. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to add steps and actions, so you can build complex workflows without any coding. Sendinblue also offers templates for common scenarios, helping you get started quickly. The visual layout makes it easy to see and adjust your sequences as needed. Sendinblue's free plan includes basic automation features and allows you to send a limited number of emails per day. This makes it a good choice for small businesses and individuals who want to test the platform before upgrading. The free plan includes access to the automation builder, templates, and basic analytics, so you can start building sequences right away. Signing up for Sendinblue is straightforward. After creating your account, you're guided through the process of setting up your first list, designing your first email, and building your initial automation. The platform's help center and support team are available to assist you if needed. Sendinblue's focus on user experience makes it a great choice for those who want to automate without complexity. Mailjet is another email marketing platform that offers simple automation features. Its drag and drop editor and automation builder make it easy to create sequences, even if you have no technical experience. Mailjet's focus on collaboration also makes it a good choice for teams who want to work together on campaigns and automations. Mailjet's automation features include pre-built workflows for common scenarios like welcome emails, follow-ups, and re-engagement campaigns. You can customize these workflows with your own content and triggers, making it easy to create personalized sequences. The visual interface helps you see the entire flow and make changes as needed. Mailjet's automation tools are designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels. Mailjet offers a free plan that includes basic automation features and allows you to send a limited number of emails per month. This makes it a good option for small businesses and individuals who want to test the platform before upgrading. The free plan includes access to the automation builder and templates, so you can start building sequences right away. Getting started with Mailjet is easy. After signing up, you're guided through the process of creating your first list, designing your first email, and setting up your initial automation. The platform's help center and support team are available if you need assistance. Mailjet's focus on simplicity and collaboration makes it a great choice for teams and individuals alike. GetResponse is a powerful email marketing platform that also offers simple automation features for beginners. Its visual automation builder lets you create sequences by dragging and dropping steps onto a canvas. GetResponse offers a free plan for basic use, making it accessible to users who want to try automation without a big investment. GetResponse's automation features include pre-built templates for common scenarios like welcome emails, lead nurturing, and re-engagement campaigns. You can customize these templates with your own content and triggers, making it easy to create personalized sequences. The visual interface helps you see the entire flow and make changes as needed. GetResponse's automation tools are designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels. GetResponse offers a free plan that includes basic automation features and allows you to send a limited number of emails per month. This makes it a good option for small businesses and individuals who want to test the platform before upgrading. The free plan includes access to the automation builder and templates, so you can start building sequences right away. Signing up for GetResponse is straightforward. After creating your account, you're guided through the process of setting up your first list, designing your first email, and building your initial automation. The platform's help center and support team are available to assist you if needed. GetResponse's focus on user experience makes it a great choice for those who want to automate without complexity. Now that we've looked at several popular email marketing platforms, let's compare their simplicity. All of these tools offer drag and drop editors, pre-built templates, and free plans, making them accessible to beginners. The The main differences come down to interface design, available templates, and the level of support offered. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. In the next scenes, we'll offer some tips for choosing the right platform for you. When choosing an email marketing platform, consider your goals, budget, and technical comfort level. If you want the simplest experience possible, look for platforms with clear onboarding, helpful support, and a clean interface. If you plan to grow your list quickly, make sure the platform can scale with you. And don't forget to test out free plans or trials before making a final decision. This way, you can find the tool that feels right for you. One common mistake is choosing a platform that's too complex for your needs. This can lead to frustration and wasted time. Another mistake is not taking advantage of automation templates, which can save you hours of setup. Finally, don't forget to monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. By keeping things simple and focusing on your goals, you'll get the most out of your email marketing efforts. To keep your email automation simple and effective, start with a clear goal for each sequence. Use pre-built templates whenever possible, and personalize your messages to connect with your audience. Test your sequences before launching to catch any errors, and review your analytics regularly to see what's working. By following these best practices, you'll create automated email campaigns that are both simple and successful. Let's recap the simplest email marketing software for building automated sequences. MailerLite, ConvertKit, Mooseend, MailChimp, Benchmark Email, Sendinblue, MailJet, and GetResponse all offer user-friendly interfaces, drag-and-drop editors, and free plans. Each platform has its own strengths, but all are designed to help you automate your email marketing without unnecessary complexity. Choose the one that fits your needs and start building your first sequence today. Email marketing automation doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, you can set up powerful automated sequences in just a few minutes. Start by choosing a platform that matches your needs. Take advantage of free plans or trials, and use pre-built templates to save time. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced features. But remember, simplicity is often the key to success. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.